Following the resignation of Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina on the 5th of August 2024, citizens have entered her official residence, Bangabhaban, and reportedly looted her possessions. This resignation follows a demand from the Bangladeshi Army for her immediate departure due to her handling of the student-government clashes that have resulted in hundreds of deaths and thousands of injuries over the past 2 months. On Monday night, social media videos showed Bangladeshi protesters carrying torches and collecting boulders from the Umngot River in Meghalaya, India. Other footage captured celebrations in the streets over Hasina's resignation. Although some protesters reached the Indian border at Tamabil in Dauki, West Jaintia Hills, Meghalaya, they did not cross into Indian territory. In response, the Indian central government has deployed additional troops to the border at Nongtalang in West Jaintia Hills to prevent any unauthorized entry of Bangladeshis into Indian territory amid the ongoing situation.
Bông kêu ticket đi.
Lỡ kinh.
Bông BSF lắm.
Lỡ pun em.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057, 94851 58603, 700-505-7728, 8794 250646.